3 different things that make AI images 10 times better. These tricks work with any AI generation tool, but in this case I'm using ArtSpace AI, and this is the easy mode, where you have more than 170 AI tools ready to use. As you can see, you have many AI tools, but you can also use the advanced mode here. With the Canva mode, you can find different videos here on my channel if you prefer to use this way of generating AI images. ArtSpace also have a pretty interesting lifetime deal. It's still available, so check the link here in the description. I will use this simple new image generator here, and trick number 1 is sometimes short prompts are way better than long ones. The sweet spot is between 4, 5 or 6 words. This is 4 words, for example, and here you can also choose the quality of the image. You can generate a custom one if you want. For the sake of this example, the default one is okay, and let's create. Here it is, not too many details here in the prompt, not too many parameters, and you can generate pretty good images, and this was just an example. Let's try a different one. Again, 5 words in this case, create. And that's it. As you can see, pretty good image. Obviously, if you want to obtain something really specific, you may use some details here, or if you want let AI to come out with something interesting, you can use short prompts. Trick number 2 is really simple, and it's generate with the same prompt more than one time. You will get different images, and that's a feature, it's not a bug. So again, same prompt, I will create another image. And as you can see, it's different than before. Yes, the subject is pretty similar because that's the prompt, but the image is different. So if the first image generated is not what you want, it's not perfect, generate again. And if you have the unlimited plan, here with ArtSpace you can generate how many images you want. Trick number 3 is to use 2 different AI tools, one after the other, so you can get pretty good images. In this case I will use the Restore All the Photo. This is one of the most used tools here in ArtSpace. Let me upload an image. As you can see, it's a pretty old and ruined image. I can choose one of these restore prompts here. These are ready-made for you prompts, or you can obviously write a custom one. Let's use this scratch and tear repair and restore all the photo. And in this case is also colorized, but if for example I use this professional restore black and white, I can let the image in black and white, and now is perfectly restored and still in black and white. I can download this image, and then I can use this colorize black and white. So by uploading my restored photo, I can again choose between one of these prompts or write a custom one and choose, in this example, natural realistic colors and colorize. And here it is. This is my new image, pretty good, I will say, and because this image was pretty small, I can now even upscale it. So let me download it. Let's go here again on upscale image. By uploading now the colorized image, I can upscale it very easily. And this is my final image, and as you can see, if I download it, this is the quality I can have, and this is a 496 per 2752 pixels, so the final result is really good. With ArtSpace is really easy to chain different AI tools one after the other, so you can have really good images. You can choose between different lifetime deals. The cheapest one is $59 with 300 images per month, but my suggestion, if you want to use AI images, is to go for the unlimited one, because obviously you may need to regenerate many times. With this one, you don't have any limit. And if you want to save some money, you can choose the relaxed mode. With the relaxed mode, you need to wait just a few seconds more to generate images, but you can save your money here on the unlimited lifetime deal, and you can also have a 10% discount just by subscribing to their newsletter. This is ArtSpace. I have many other tutorials and videos about ArtSpace here on my channel, so if you want, please go and take a look at them. That's it for this. I hope you enjoyed it. If so, click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, click here to take a look at other videos, and I'll see you soon in the next one.